It's that time. Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. If you saw the last video where we built this set right there, you know that this is going to be the next set. And here it is. We're going to be building set number 76991, Tails' Workshop and Tornado Plane. Let's get to unboxing this thing and building it. Alright, so this time I'm actually going to show you guys the normal speed of me unboxing this thing. So all I do is honestly, you don't have to plug both holes. You can just plug one. You can just plug one out. Put the box there, and here's all the bags. This time we have bag 2, bag 3, extra bag 1, and a bag 4. Let me see. There are 2 instructions. Interesting. This one seems to be that, and this seems to be the actual base. So bag 4 is for this one, and then these 3 are going to be for this instruction. So now let's get to actually building these sets, and let's get right to it. See you guys in the time lapse. Woo! Alright, so here we're going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to show you what each bag comes with. So bag 1, we have this Sonic minifigure with a winking face. We get a Buzz Bomber buildable figure. And I forgot to add this little thing up here. But there we go. There's a Buzz Bomber. Then you get, I'm assuming this is Tails' chair. Tails' little workbench. You get 3 rings that are suspended in the air. Which, yeah, there's some extra pieces. I'm gonna put those off to the side. And, without further ado, let's get on to bag 2. Here we go. Also, if you noticed this before me, I did accidentally use the wrong, base stand for the Buzz Bomber. It's supposed to be the big one, not the small one. The small ones are for the rings. There we go. If you guys noticed that, don't worry, I noticed it too. There you go, I fixed it. Alright, now let's get on to bag 2. I had to do this. We finally got a Lego Tails! Yes, here he is. Yeah, I just built him in the time lapse quickly. But, yeah. Here he is for you guys. Finally, we've got a Lego Tails. Alright, let's get back to actually building this set. We're not done with the tornado, but this is bag 2. These are little extra pieces that are going to be used in bag 3. Since the instructions say to open bag 3, as you can see right here, we need to open bag 3. So this is going to be the little video of bag 2. So this is what you get from building bag 2. You get the tornado and Tails. Let's go, Tails. feel like rubber, but they're also plastic. And we can find up. And we're gonna have Sonic and Tails together. Alright. I'm gonna open bag 3 and we'll get to building the rest of the tornado. Here we go! Guys, so we just finished building the tornado. Yeah! This is really cool. There you go, guys. That's the tornado. Had a bit of trouble on the top, but I eventually found out. And yeah, that's the tornado. Now, on to the final bag with the final pieces. Bag 4, and this is where we start the second book of instructions, where we build Tails' little actual workshop. Tails' actual, oh no, Buzz Bomber! Where this time we're building Tails' actual workshop. Alrighty guys, let's get to it. Guys, we're done with the set. Yes, that's it. We finally did it. As you can see, we got Tails' lab here. You can fold it like this, or leave it at a bent angle. There's that. Yeah, I really like the set. There's a Sonic minifigure. We got the Tails. Buzz Bomb with the rings, and I'm gonna show you guys right now what some of the stuff looks like. Here we go. So here we have Sonic lying in Tails' chair, and we got Tails not in the cockpit but flying on the plane. You can even put him inside the plane. Let me just lift this up real quick, and there you go. You can put Tails right in the cockpit. Let's put Sonic on the wing. There you go. That's the cockpit. The wheels do spin, so you can drive it around. And here we also have some a little tech pad, and here we have some Tails' favorite candy, mints. So now you can go. We can go collect the rings, and then go. Oh, free the thing. Okay, I'm kidding. But hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm kidding. You can subscribe if you want to, but if you can, make sure to like and subscribe. And that's day 2. That's day 1 over there. This is day 2. Day 3 tomorrow is gonna be, drum roll please, set number 76992, Amy's Animal Rescue Island. I'll see you guys tomorrow with this set.